Hello and welcome to the May edition of TUM Student News. This month, events, career opportunities and a new way to stay on top of what's happening at TUM. With the start of the new lecture period, we've launched a new MS Teams channel for students. That's where we'll share updates on events, offers and campus life. Make sure to activate your Microsoft 365 campus license so you don't miss out. On the 12th of May, the Student General Assembly takes place on each campus. It's open to all students and no lectures or exams are scheduled at the same time. Your student representatives will share updates on university politics, events and more. From the 6th to the 8th of May, maiTUM is happening right in the center of Campus Munich. It's a traditional May festival with music, drinks and great food. If you're planning to go, make sure to reserve your table in advance. From the 4th to the 8th of May, the TUM School of Management hosts the European Union Week. There are events online and on campus, and as a highlight, a talk by EU Commissioner Jessica Roswell on how the EU is turning environmental policy into a competitive advantage. On the 23rd of May, the birthday of Germany's Basic Law, people across the country are invited to take part in the Ehrentag. It's all about social engagement, from litter collection and neighborhood events to activities in community and care settings. You can join an existing initiative, plan your own, or support the day in other ways. Back at TUM, two IKOM career events are coming up. IKOM Life Sciences on the 12th of May in Freising and IKOM Startup on the 27th of May in Garching. Both are great opportunities to connect and explore career paths. And before you go, the next presidential student launch takes place on the 8th of June in Freising. You can apply until the 18th of May. It's your chance to ask the president of TUM your questions directly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. As always, we will be back in a couple of weeks with more TUM Student News.